Unit 2, Recording 4. 1. Mother Teresa won a Nobel Prize for Peace in 1979, and Aung San Suu Kyi did the same in 1991. But the first woman to win a Nobel Prize was the Polish-born scientist Marie Sklodowska-Curie for physics in 1903. 2.
The Williams sisters, Venus and Serena, were two of the world's leading tennis players during the 2000s. Serena won her first U.S. Open title in 1999, and Venus did the same a year later in 2000. They became the first sisters to both win the U.S. Open.
3.
British women aged 30 or more got the right to vote in 1918, 2 years before the United States, but 21 years after New Zealand, the first country to give women the vote.
4.
Iranian-born Anousheh Ansari became the first female space tourist on September 18, 2006. For her 10-day ride in the Russian Soyuz space capsule, she paid $20 million.
5.
Russian cosmonaut Yuri Gagarin was the first human to travel into space in 1961, but there were only male cosmonauts until 1963, when 400 female cosmonauts applied to be the first woman in space. Only one woman made the flight, on the 16th of June 1963, and her name was Valentina Tereshkova.
6.
India had a female Prime Minister in the 1980s, but Indian presidents were all men until July 2007, when Pratibha Patil became the first woman to become President of India.
7.
On the 16th of May 1975, the first woman reached the top of Mount Everest. She was a Japanese climber, Junko Tabe. Wanda Rutkiewicz was the first European woman to reach the top, in 1978. And Stacey Allison was the first American woman to reach the top, in 1988.
8.
Catherine Bigelow became the first woman to win an Oscar for Best Director for her film The Hurt Locker, a military action thriller set in Iraq, starring Jeremy Renner.